Hey guys, it's Lisa here with yet another spring cleaning hack that's budget friendly. So, our clothes, all of our closets are probably busting at the seams, or if we're, in transition from winter season to hopefully warmer springtime season. So, an easy thing to do instead of hanging your hangers like this with your new cute spring and summer clothes, hang it backwards. Easy peasy. And at the end of the season, if you have still not worn that garment yet, get rid of it, donate it, sell it. You don't need it. You won't miss it. You had plenty of time to wear the potential garment and you didn't. So let somebody else love on it. Now, for the kiddos, you can basically do the same thing with the hanger switch. So make sure you're actually using all of their clothes. They're wearing all of their clothes instead of their favorite 3 shirts and 3 pairs of pants or the 3 dresses. But get them involved by doing a fashion show. So you will be very aware that, ooh, yeah, those pants don't fit anymore. We've got, high waters. That was always my issue growing up. Shoot up, get taller, and the pants get shorter. So then if we have another child in the house, then maybe we can pass them down or we can donate them or sell them at a resale shop. But get the kids involved. If they don't like the clothes, it was too itchy, too whatever, the hanger trick will really work well, be very obvious with the kiddos too. So see you guys next week for some more spring cleaning tips.